Alright, this short video will show you how to level a 3D printer. First thing you need is just a piece of paper, and you just need to fold it really. On your 3D printer, there's leveling knobs. Twist it right if you want to lower the bed, and twist it left if you want to raise it up. First thing you want to do is auto home the printer, wait for everything to reset to 0. You want to start on the corner and have your piece of paper slide underneath the nozzle in the bed, and you want a bit of friction in between the two. Not enough where you can't slide it underneath easily, but enough where you can feel the fan moving. After the first corner is done, you want to work diagonally from it, and this is to avoid an issue called the fulcrum point. Basically, when you adjust the two, if you were to adjust it clockwise, you actually put some extra force and tension on the bed, and there's a chance of you bending it. So just work diagonally, then fill in the rest as you go. After doing the first time, you want to do it all over again, just in case the adjustments on the other corners may have altered the height a little on the corners that you've already done. That's it for the paper. Now you want to do a test print. I'll provide an STL file on Thingiverse, but what basically is, it prints as a square on each corner of the bed, and it'll help you determine if the nozzle is too high, too close, or just right. Alright, here's some examples. This one's here is like way too close to the nozzle and all the print is squashed. What you want to do is lower the bed so you create a bigger gap. This one here, it's too far, so nothing's squishing the filament down, so you want to raise the bed a bit. And this one here is what you're aiming for. All the filament is squashed perfectly and it's all flattened. There's no gaps and no holes. And that's it. That's how you level up a 3D printer bed. There's some upgrades I would recommend though. This will help a lot. The first one will be flat springs for the bed. This will actually keep your bed level for much longer, and you only need to adjust your bed like once or twice a month. And they're relatively cheap, so you can just go on Amazon and just buy it. I'll provide links below, you can take a look depending where you live. Another recommendation is BlTouch. Literally, it takes all the manual work of leveling a bed and does it for you. The only issue is like the price and the source is a bit iffy. Alright, thanks for watching, and I hope you can like and subscribe for more things, miniatures and 3D printers.